we already have under 7 boys. The age groups have under 7, the girls and the boys team. So we'll definitely call you guys up one by one. Now.
Yeah, we'll get both of them. All right, guys, you ready? How about we stand up in one line and let's get ready. Who's going to line up both here? Just the under 7s. One bonus. Jabir, you can start. Come up to the front, Jabir. All right, Jabir, come on up. Well done, man. All right, Hamza, come on up. Mazel. Mahmoud. Head over. Mubarak. Mama Hood. Otto. Remy. Anas. And Nabil. Well done, guys.
Some apologies, parents. Now, we're going to quickly get this done, all right? So now, quickly, we're not going to call out the names. You're just going to come up and receive your award and you go to one of the goals and take team photos, all right? Ready? Now, under 8 coach, Nick, come around and you're going to be presenting with Eleanor. Ellen. All right, under 8s, ready? Come on, put your hands together for the under 8s. Alrighty, now under 8s. Under 8 boys. So in under 8s, we're gonna quickly give individual awards as well in under 8s. Under 8s, listen boys. Now, Eleanor, please help us present these awards. Now.
So this one is an award for the unsung hero, and this is proudly presented to Najib. Woo! Our fairest player goes to Tommy. Really important one. This is the most improved player of 2025. Goes to Mubin. The Lion of the Season. Lion of the Season goes to Yazid. Proud favourite. And the Club Ambassador Award goes to Jabil.
We take a dip. All right, under 7s, under 8 boys, please move down there. Thank you. All right, next one. All right, under 10 girls, ready. First one up. It's not my favorite, but we have to give something away, eh?
The unsung hero goes to Naja. The most improved goes to Sarafina. The fairest player goes to Zainab. Lion of the season goes to Nawal. And the club ambassador goes to Lola.
Well done to under 10 girls and the two coaches, Najma and Mariam. Please go down there for a team photo. Thank you so much.
We're going to do 1, 2, 3.